Finding articles with Academic Search Complete, the basics. We'll start at the Wittenberg homepage, www.wittenberg.edu. Select the menu button at the top right-hand corner. Open the menu for Academics. Select Library. From the Thomas Library homepage, click the Article Databases tab, and then enter in your key terms to search Academic Search Complete. We'll start with a basic search for stem cell. And you'll see my result list includes over 150,000 articles. I'd like to narrow this down a little bit, so I began to scroll through my list looking in the subject field for more key terms that I can add to my search to make it more relevant. In this article subject field, I see the term embryonic stem cells. I think that might help narrow my search, so I'm going to return to the top and add in the key term embryo. That significantly narrows my results to 7,960 articles. I can further refine my results using the options on the left-hand column. Some professors may require you to use scholarly, peer-reviewed research for your project. You can do this simply by checkmarking the scholarly peer-reviewed journals box. This limits my results to 6,893 results. I can also control the date range. I'll update it to include only research published since 2010. And I can even further narrow my results by opening up the subject area and choosing a subject that matches the topic I'm interested in. I'm going to select therapeutic use. And now my result list only contains 37 articles. I'm interested in finding a copy of this first article. I can see there is a link for the PDF full text right here in my result list. The full text of the article will load here, and I have options on the right-hand side to save it to a Google Drive, print the article, or email a link to the article to myself. I can also choose to cite this item. We'll generate citations in different styles, or I can save a permalink to this article. Back at my result list, and I'm interested in finding the second article in my list. There's no link to full text here, but there is a yellow Find It button, so I will click that, and this new tab shows me there is a full text option for this article available from the Electronic Journal Center. If I keep following the links for full text, I will be taken to the actual article. And from here I am able to download or print a copy of this article. I'm going to close these tabs to get back to my result list and look for the third article in my list. Again, this one does not have a link to full text, so I will try the yellow Find It button. And I still don't see a link for full text. So my other option is to request this article through interlibrary loan. If I click that button, I will be taken to a form where I will enter in my information, and you'll see that the article citation information has already been entered into this form. So just enter your contact information and click submit, and librarians at Wittenberg will send a request to another library who will send us a copy of the article that you need. You will be notified at your Wittenberg email address when the article is available. This service is free for Wittenberg students. I'm going to close these tabs, and then I'm back again at my result list, so I can continue to scroll down through the results to get to the research I need. If you have any further questions, please contact librarians@wittenberg.edu or call us 937-327-7511.